mga kaibigan ninyo, ni RS. Bakit hindi ka nag-artista, Sam?
Ah, una po, hindi ko po pangarap maging artista kasi dati yung pangarap ko maging basketball player. Pagkatapos nun, nung feeling ko hindi ako magiging basketball player, kailangan kong umasenso para mapaunlad yung pamilya ko. Kasi naalala ko, Tito Boy, I was just helping eh. I was just helping sa mga television shows, I was helping sa PGH, I was helping sa mga charity balls. Tapos, nung one time, I was just an audience sa isang show, variety show dito sa GMA, yung Wawawin kay Kuya Will. Nasa audience ako, tinawag lang ako ni Kuya Will. Sabi niya, halika rito, mag-host ka nga. Ganun lang. Alam mo naman si Kuya Will eh, ginawa niya ako on the spot host. And after that, I became his co-host for how many years?
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, Tito Boy. Kasi it's not just a show eh. We've been helping people, tapos we were changing people's lives. Tapos along the way, I've met the GMA bosses, Ma'am Annette, Ma'am Joy. Then they finally gave me my own show, public service show, which is yung Dear SB, which ran for 2 years dito sa GMA. I'm so grateful for them. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Natigil lang kasi tumakbo ako ng pagka-mayor po sa Maynila. And so yun, wala po sa plano, but things happen for a reason.
Pero ngayon, may mga